Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we are going to make a flower bookmark. So the things we need are brush, yellow poster color, red poster color, green color, dark green color. I do not have white poster color, so I am using a white acrylic paint and golden acrylic paint. A masking tape, some water. So as you can see, I have applied the masking tape, and first I will paint the red color. So apply the red poster color over it like this. Like this. As I have almost completed the red color, now I will wait till it dry and then make flowers. Now take some yellow color and make flowers like this. Just make a circle. Lemon yellow and make circles like this. Now, as I have made it all the circles, now I'm going to apply the orange color like this. Just dab it over the yellow flower. Now, by taking some water, merge both the colors, the yellow and the orange color like this. Now, take some light green color and paint it like this. painted the stem with light green color. Now I will paint the leaves with dark green color. So let's start. Now I'm going to make the flowers using a black sketch pen. You can also use paintbrush. And leaves also. Now I am taking the golden color for sparkling. Take a brush and put the color on it, and then just do it like this. Take white color and then sparkle it like this. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video,